Today we're going to learn how to draw Bearnice, everyone's favourite bear. And first, we're going to start with her head. Like this. And then we're going to put in her big cheek, like that. Next we're going to draw her body, which is about the same size as her head. So we'll start with her back, and then we'll draw her big belly, like that. You see, about the same size as her head. Now we'll put in a line to separate her head from her body. Next we're going to draw her hair puffs, and there are two ways you can draw her hair puffs depending on how you're feeling. You can draw them like this, which is one single line, or if you're not feeling as confident, you can draw them like this. And then at the end, you just join up the loops, like so. And there's no wrong way to do this. You can do them either way, whichever makes you most comfortable. Next, we'll draw in her little ears on the top of her head, like this. And then we'll draw in her eyes. Which are like two beans. We'll put in her pupils. Then we'll put in her cheek. She has a big, happy cheek. Next, we'll draw her arm, which goes about here. And then we'll draw her hand. 1, 2, 3 fingers and 1 thumb. Next, we'll start to draw her dungarees, which can seem quite difficult when you look at pictures of Bearnice, but I'll show you that they're actually quite simple to draw. So first, you start off with a long rectangle at the bottom. These are her cuffs for where her feet will go. Then you draw her big buttons, a line across the middle, a big line that goes under her arm, and then we complete the dungarees with the straps that hold them up. Oh, and Bearnice has a pocket on the front where she holds her crayons and her candies. Next, we're going to draw her happy smile, like that, and she has a big snout on the end which curls around like that. And Bearnice has a little heart-shaped nose that we're just going to put in like that. Then we can draw in her big buck teeth, like so. And then we can put in her lips. And don't forget to put in her lips in between her buck teeth. Next we'll draw her face mask, which is this M shape. And then we complete the shape by curling around the back like that. Then we can put in her eyebrows and her eyelashes. Then we can finish her legs. A line down the middle like that. It goes through the dungarees there like that. A line either side to finish her legs. And then 2 feet. And then all that's left to do is finish off the little details. So put in the soles of her shoes, and then the little details on her trainers, like the laces. Then we need to put in her rainbow pattern behind her dungarees. 1, 2. We finish off 2 there. 3, 4, 5. And then we don't forget to complete this along her sleeve too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we do the same on her legs because she has the same pattern on her legs. Rainbow pattern. 1, 2. The last little details are her freckles. You put them on both sides. And then you take your eraser and you just erase the head there, and you just erase behind the button there, and then you just erase her arm there. And there you go. That's how you draw Bearnice. Thanks for watching.